Guys, welcome back to this fabulous channel. Welcome back to the City of Sin. If you all are new to the channel or stopping in for your first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host as always. But today we are going to take you down Las Vegas Boulevard since it is abandoned, shall we say. Right now it is Saturday night. It's 6:46 p.m. here on a Saturday evening. So I'll show you a little bit of what the city looks like here now that everything's kind of closed. So over on my left hand side they are doing some construction here. That's where the old Rio was. Over to the right you'll have Circus. There's also a Travelodge. Resort World will be coming up as well. There is McDonald's that used to be up here. I think it's still up here. Lots of fun are over to the right. And over on the right as well is Resort World. McDonald's is still there on the right, and there is a sign that says they are open. So McDonald's on the Strip by Circus is still open. Over on the left, that would be your famous Peppermill. That restaurant has been in a number of movies. Pretty famous. If you want to check the history out on it, you certainly can. Just passing by the Resort World now. Left hand side of the Strip you'll see Encore coming up. And this intersection here is Convention Center and Las Vegas Boulevard. This will soon be the intersection for Resort World Drive and Las Vegas Boulevard. Over on the left, kind of peeking out now, you will see the Wynn. Followed by that, you'll see the Palazzo. Over on my right-hand side, you'll see the Fashion Show Mall. Coming up right now is Wynn Las Vegas and Las Vegas Boulevard intersection. As you can see, the heavy police presence at all of the entrances to these casinos. And like I said, there's quite a bit of construction here, so don't mind all the orange barrels that you'll see. So this is Fashion Show Drive in Las Vegas Boulevard for this intersection. And over to the right, kind of peeking out from the fashion show, you're going to see Treasure Island, which means we're coming up on Spring Mountain Road over to the right. And on the left-hand side, that turns into Sands by the Sands Expo building over there. Over to the left is the beautiful Wynn sign. Palazzo's up on the left-hand side of your screen right now. We're coming up on the Grand Canal Shops at the Palazzo. And the Venetian you'll see a little bit further down. It's a decent evening. It just takes a while for the sun to drop over the mountains for it to cool down a bit. Like I said, right now about 6:50. The sun should be going down within the hour. And then I did plan on doing some night driving because I know that this strip is a lot different from the day and nighttime experience. It's harder to see things at night, so I figured I'd do some night driving for you guys and show you some of the tips and tricks of Las Vegas with the night driving and kind of the things to look for that'll help point out what you're looking for, or where you're trying to go, or what you're trying to accomplish. These lights seem to take forever. Over on the right, there is a CVS pharmacy that is open right now. On the boulevard, there's a few, like a handful of things that are actually open on Las Vegas Boulevard. About time. Like I said, even for Saturday night, we're moving pretty quick. You gotta have patience to drive on Las Vegas Boulevard. Over to the right, Spring Mountain Road, left is Sands. Over to the right is that CVS that we just discussed a little bit earlier, followed by Treasure Island. The Palazzo, followed by the Venetian. She's getting a little bit windy today. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's nice to cruise with the windows down. Coming up on my right-hand side, you will see the beautiful Mirage. Madame Tussauds is going to be on the left-hand side. The volcano for the Mirage would be on your right-hand side over there. On the left-hand side is a Walgreens, but it is closed. They have the Casino Royale and Harrah's. Over to the right, you'll have the Forum Shop, followed by Caesar's Palace. As we come past Harrah's here on the left-hand side, you'll see the Link. And followed by that, you will have the Flamingo. Coming up on Caesar's Palace Drive and Las Vegas Boulevard is the intersection that we're approaching here. They have Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville on the left-hand side. You can also go into Harrah's from Margaritaville. They also have a little casino area there as well, just right outside. Like I said, if you were trying to do this any other Saturday night, this would have been impossible to get this far in the Strip in this amount of time, especially coming up on Flamingo and Las Vegas Boulevard. That will be the true test of time, because usually that Bellagio is bumping, Cosmopolitan is bumping, Aria is going. Across the street you'll have Paris that's really popular as well, so this intersection up here gets kind of crazy. Over on my left-hand side, you will see the Flamingo, followed by the Cromwell. Gordon Ramsay's Hell Kitchen is going to be on the right-hand side. Coming up on Flamingo and Las Vegas Boulevard is the next intersection that we're approaching. And we're getting greens. We're making good time. Over on the left is Bally's, followed by Paris. Once you cross Flamingo, over to the right, you will have the famous Bellagio, followed by the Cosmopolitan, and continuing to Aria. CVS on the right is open by Paris. Crossing near Paris Hotel and Casino right now. Over to the right, you'll have Lake Bellagio with the fountains going, but the fountains aren't going right now because everything unfortunately is shut down. This is Bellagio Drive to the right. To the left is Paris Drive, and Las Vegas Boulevard is this intersection. The next intersection that we're going to come up on is Harmon Avenue. Over to the left is the new Chick-fil-A, that is open by Planet Hollywood there. To the right is Cosmopolitan that we're just passing now. And this is Harmon and Las Vegas Boulevard. So this is Harmon Avenue, LVB. Over to my right is the Tex-Mex Tequila. That used to be the old Harley grill. Over on my right is the Crystal Shops. We just passed Aria coming up here. This will be Aria and Las Vegas Boulevard intersection. That will take you to the parking garage for Aria, but that is all closed down as well. This CVS pharmacy is open from 9 to 9. The Target is coming up here. That's actually nearing completion. It's still under construction right now, but it should be up pretty soon. This is the new pedestrian walkway that they just got done finishing, and this would be Park Avenue and Las Vegas Boulevard. Park MGM is over to the right. New York is over to the right, and then over on the left-hand side, you'll have the food court, some shopping malls, and the famous MGM. Coming up on Tropicana Avenue here in Las Vegas Boulevard. After we pass Tropicana, on the left-hand side, you will have the Tropicana Hotel and Casino. Over on the right-hand side, you will have the Excalibur, and that's where you can catch the free tram from Excalibur to Luxor to Mandalay Bay. It's absolutely free to take that one. They also have a free one from Park MGM that runs to Aria, and it also runs to Bellagio. Over to my right, you will see Excalibur. On my left is the Tropicana there. Next casino on my right-hand side will be the Luxor, followed by Mandalay Bay and Delano. That sun is extremely bright, shining off the reflectiveness of Mandalay Bay there. Passing Mandalay Bay Road and Las Vegas Boulevard, and we're going to come up on the Welcome to Las Vegas sign, or We'll See You Soon, whichever way you're going. We'll be coming up here in a little bit. So my recommendation, if you're walking this, take the free tram down to Mandalay Bay, get off at Mandalay Bay, and then just follow the sidewalk all the way down to the sign. But it is quite the jaunt, so just be wary of that. Just passing Four Seasons Drive and Las Vegas Boulevard, coming up to Russell Road right now. Over on my left-hand side is where the Welcome to Las Vegas sign is. They do have a live stream of this sign that is set up a live streaming camera. This intersection here is Russell Road and Las Vegas Boulevard. Over to my right, there is a police department there. And now you can see, drive careful, come back soon from the Welcome to Las Vegas sign, and getting a red light right by it. So I think this is where we'll leave off with the evening strip drive. I'll do a night one for you guys and do some other night driving. But as always, my name is Ryan. If you guys do like this video, be sure to like, subscribe if you haven't already done so. Be sure to share this with your friends and family. But until next time.